it was like the song is telling me कि ना नहीं सुनना जी, ये करना ही पड़ेगा क्योंकि the song was so vibrant, was so alive.
I cannot tell you how many remakes we have rejected. हमारा काम क्या है as composers? To get audience to the theater.
I just love zoning. I love daydreaming, and for that, there's like a background music that always goes on in my house.
मैं remix पे नहीं जी रहा हूँ boss. मेरा original गाना भी equally popular है.
I'm very excited. It is my first film. Also, being in a film with Bachchan ji and with Imran Hashmi, with Anu Kapoor.
तो बजाए जा वे तब तक मैं ना नहीं सुनना जी.
आ जाओ and twist it. आ जाओ जानू.
Jigar and Crystal, welcome on Bollywood Hungama.
Thank you.
Thank you, Faridun.
Belated happy birthday to you, Crystal.
Thank you so much.
Tell us something about this song. That why आप लोग नाच नहीं सुनना चाहते हैं, कुछ बताएं उसके बारे में, जिगर. What is the idea behind it?
The idea behind it was that हम सब we've all gone through a lot in the last year, and we wanted to make a song especially for the people who don't go out and party, like the ones like me. कि बॉस यार अभी एक साल आप घर पे बैठे हो, अभी तो ना पार्टी के लिए ना बोला ना, तो मैं ना नहीं सुनना जी. अब इस साल जी खोल के जियो, मस्ती करो. Of course, mask पहनो, precautions लो, but once the pandemic is done with, which is going to take a long time, the idea is to enjoy yourself. Say, मतलब खुशी करो यार.
Of course. All right. Okay, and Crystal, when you heard the song for the first time, what was your first response like?
You know, it was like the song is telling me कि ना नहीं सुनना जी, ये करना ही पड़ेगा क्योंकि the song was so vibrant, was so alive, it was so out of the box. It was not something that we keep hearing in different music videos. So it's something that I wanted to do because instantly, as soon as I heard the song, because of the vibe of the song, you know, I knew कि ये गाना मैं अपनी गाड़ी में बजाऊंगी, अपने घर में बजाऊंगी. तो if I love it and I believe in it, why not? फिर उसके बाद पता चला कि इसका concept इतना wacky है. So I mean, I thank my stars that I heard the song and loved it and then wanted to be a part of it even more after knowing कि हम भी green screen पे shoot करेंगे.
Okay, आपने कहा कि अपने आप घर में आप चलाएंगी, तो आप उसको ऐड कर सकते हैं कि नए घर में.
जी हाँ, नए घर में मैं ऐड करना चाहती हूँ because yes, finally I bought my own house in Mumbai. My parents have houses in Mumbai, but I never did. So finally I feel like I'm a big girl who has her own house in Mumbai.
तो अभी वो भी ऐड कर देते ना कि नए घर में नए डैश ब्रांड के साउंड सिस्टम पे, डैश ब्रांड के प्रोजेक्टर पे ये गाना देखूंगी और सुनूंगी.
करेक्ट. और वो डैश आप लोग मुझे दीजिए प्लीज. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
ना जिगर का खर्चा बढ़ने वाला है. Okay. All right. And how different is it to be you know helming a song, for example, and becoming a face of a song from being the behind the scenes guys?
Satisfaction to another level, फरीदून. इतना satisfaction है ना, क्योंकि आप जब एक गाना बनाते हो तो आप बहुत टाइम आपको ऐसा लगता है कि इसका क्या मस्त वीडियो बनाया बॉस, और बहुत टाइम ऐसा भी लगता है नहीं यार ये नहीं चाहिए था गाने को. यू नो, यू हैव दोस फीलिंग्स. ओके, इट विल स्टिल वर्क, इट विल स्टिल डू द व्यूज, इट विल स्टिल गेट द ऑडियंस, बट जो एक सेटिस्फैक्शन लेवल है ना कि इस गाने को ये विजुअल के साथ कंप्लीट होते हुए एक बच्चे को बड़ा होते हुए देखना और उसको पालना, उसको पोसना, उसको स्कूल भेजना, कॉलेज भेजना, तैयार करना, ये प्रोसेस जो है ना, ये बहुत सेटिस्फाइंग है. तो I cannot even tell you how immensely satisfied I feel.
All right, okay, and so Crystal, you're a Piscean. Pisceans, they absolutely live on music per se. What is your favorite style of music? What do you like listening to?
So I love daydreaming. Like every Piscean, I feel I just love zoning. I love daydreaming, and for that, there's like a background music that always goes on in my house. If you enter my house, there's music on all the time. It's in the background. It could be jazz music, it could be some light songs, but that's the vibe. There's always, and then until unless I want to up my beat and I want to go out at night to party, तो फिर उससे पहले ना नहीं सुनना, बजा के जाऊंगी बाहर, क्योंकि वरना अगर मैं साइबो के फील में बाहर गई तो सो के आ जाऊंगी. So like songs like Saibo and ना सीखा मैंने जीना जीना, वो जो बैकग्राउंड में चलता है मजा आता है. एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स पार्टी के लिए नानी सुनना जी.
I think she promotes her wares really, really well, so which is I think always wonderful. Okay, and so now Jigar, you guys have been there for some time, and you're one of the top music composers that we have. You and both of you guys. Now recently, अभी आप ये रूही के एल्बम भी आप लोगों की आपकी आई हुई है, and Nadia के बाद the song is doing really well, but apparently Sona Mahapatra, she has certain issues with remaking the songs and all those things. How do you look at this entire debate on whether the songs should be remade or not? And
Yeah, I am myself that person who will not encourage a remake. You know, I am myself a person who has rejected doing remakes, and I cannot tell you how many remakes we have rejected. Okay, like too many. Coming to Ruhi or coming to Bala, or coming to a film that we are doing as a whole, as a unit, right? We don't do single songs. So we are fighting, anyway, we are fighting a battle because we are in times where songs are being picked from one composer and albums are being, fished for. You go to a market and you are fishing for songs, right? In those times, we are taking a stand that we will do the full album, and we want to make sure that the legacy of a composer for an album stays alive,
Right.
We are anyway fighting this bigger battle, and after a lot of self analysis, self fight, self jo bhi hai, convincing, we have come to a point where if we are doing the whole film, we will do one remake, because that is what is unfortunately getting the numbers for the producer, right? And hamara kaam kya hai as composers? To get audience to the theater. We have been working with lovely producers jahan inke paas Nadiyon Paar tha, but they came up with an original first called Panghat, which has again crossed some 67-70 million hits. So it satisfies the composer inside me saying that मैं remix पे नहीं जी रहा हूँ boss, मेरा original गाना भी equally popular है. And the first day I get to run out of a remake, I do run out. But I am not in that position to leave a film because I don't like to do a remake.
Fair enough. I think that's a valid point. Okay, now Crystal, you've been around for some time. You're a big name on television. You've been part of web shows as well. Now your movie is coming up, Chehre. You would have ideally wanted that to come out last year, but for whatever reasons, because of the pandemic, it was delayed. Now, looking forward to Chehre?
Of course I am. I mean, it was scheduled for last April, and things didn't work out for everyone as a whole.
Right.
We were all looking forward to so many big films last year, and nothing worked out. But I'm just glad we're all safe. We have all, somehow made it to the vaccine, and now soon we'll all be vaccinated, so we'll be ready to go back to the theaters and watch films like we used to watch before. So now I'm excited for sure. I mean, my producer, my entire team was hell-bent and very firmly believed in releasing the film in the theater first. So we waited, we did the wait, and it's finally coming out in the theaters on 30th April. I'm very excited. It is my first film. Also, being in a film with Bachchan ji and with Imran Hashmi, with Anu Kapoor, with such a stellar cast, with amazing performers, it makes me nervous, but very proud of where I've reached, where I've come, and I have a long way to go. So yes, I'm very excited, a little nervous, but very, 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 very excited.
All right. So you've already mentioned Mr. Bachchan and Imran Hashmi. It can't get bigger than that. First film, Amitabh Bachchan and...
Not at all. I can't even believe it till now that I'm in the same film, in the same frame as them. Because when I called up my mom and I told her, Mom, I got a film and I have to fly down to Delhi to shoot it. So she's like, okay, what film? I said, it's a film with Amitabh Bachchan. She started laughing. She's like, okay, now can you tell me what film? I said, Mom, it's a film with Amitabh. She's like, shut up. Can you please tell me what film? I was like, Mom, I swear to God. And she's like, oh my God, I'm coming with you.
Okay, so she met Mr. Bachchan?
Yes, she did. Her display picture till date has been with him.
That's, I don't blame her at all. All right. So Jigar, you guys, you have given multiple scores in movies. Many of them they have done really, really well. Say when you do a score like, say, Shore in the City, for example. Now that has international quality. It can compete with the best in the world. The way the sound is, the entire flavor of it, the feel of it was something else. No one can have an absolute satisfaction with whatever they are doing. But still, what is the ambition that you guys have as music composers?
I'm just going back to the previous question, Faridun. I know, but I just want to clarify whatever I said was not directed towards anybody, not Sona, not nobody. It was my point of view about the remix. So that I don't want to offend anyone at this point. Everybody is really trying hard to make good music, including us, including Ram. Ram is a very, very dear friend of mine. So just because you mentioned the name, I give you my take on the remake scene, not on what she has said.
All right, that's it. So, would you want to answer the second question that I just asked you?
So I'll tell you, as composers, Sachin and me have always thought that अपने घर से जब गाना निकले ना तो अपने 100% satisfaction से ही निकलना चाहिए. Unless we are not 100% satisfied, we will not let the song go out. उसके बाद whether the song works or doesn't work is the song's own fate, you know. So we own up to every song 100%, whether it has worked or not worked, but it has definitely 100% satisfied the both of us, and that is why it has been out from Sachin Jagga studio. So we own up to every beat we have made. Unless if there is something we made in utter hurry to finish a film, जिसका date prepon हो गया, date prepon हो गया, कुछ हो गया, नाम कॉमन हो गया, गाने का कभी कभी होता है आपने एक गाने का हुक बनाया, उस हुक का एक दूसरा गाना पहले आ गया. So there are situations which even then with the given circumstance we have 100% satisfied ourselves and only then let a song go out. We have never rated money over our creativity. We have never rated anything else over a song because a song is truly our baby. And what is our ambition as a composer? Both of us just want to eventually, through our career, by the end of our career, inspire a few people to make genuine, honest music.
Would you want to do international work?
Of course, and starts with Nani Sunna ji. We have collaborated with the international DJ, DJ Rehab. He is one of the top 10 DJs in the whole world.
All right. And you want to sing the song for us to end this interview?
Oh, yes, of course. Crystal, let's go with our rehearsal.
Yes.
ओदा नचने दा दिल करे जब तक नचदी रहे वो नाल मेरे जब तक तू बजाए जब जाए जावे तब तक मैं ना नहीं सुनना जी.
आ जाओ and Twisted. आ जाओ जानू. आ जाओ. And you know what? मैं ना नहीं सुनना जी.
That's nice synchronization. All right, it's lovely talking to you guys. Thank you very much for your time. Congratulations for the song.
Thank you.
And all the best wishes for your future ventures. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you.